Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 20th February. Friends, as you know, we are bringing for you our regular GK series Today in History. So in this context, today we shall look at some of the memorable and important events happened on 20th February in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, please click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. Who was the politician and Zamidar born in royal family of Bobeli Zamidari on this day in 1901 who became the chief minister of Madras presidency twice, once from 5th November 1932 to 4th April 1936 and second time from 24th August 1936 to 1st April 1937. Answer: Ramakrishna Ranga Rao. Question number 2. He was an Indian barrister and independence activist, died on this day in 1950, who was the president of Bengal Pradesh Committee and also the member of All India Congress Committee from 1936 to 1947. Who is he? Answer: Sarath Chandra Bose. Question number 3. Which Indian vascular and cardiothoracic surgeon performed India's first heart transplant in King Edward Memorial Hospital, Parle, Mumbai in 1968 on this day? Answer: Prafulla Kumar Sen. Question number 4. Which Hindi poet and author died on this day in 1985, was honored with Sahitya Akademi Award for his book Buni Hui Rasi and some of whose poems are Satpura ke Ghane Jangal, Ghar Ki Yaad, Sannata, etc. Answer: Bhavani Prasad Mishra. Here I am reciting one of his poem written in Hindi. मैं कोई 50 वर्षों से कविताएं लिखता आ रहा हूँ. अब कोई पूछे मुझसे कि क्या मिलता है तुम्हें ऐसे कविताएं लिखने से. जैसे अभी 2 मिनट पहले जब मैं कविता लिखने नहीं बैठा था तब कागज कागज था, मैं था और कलम कलम, मगर जब लिखने बैठा तो 3 नहीं रहे, हम 1 हो गए. Question number 5. Who is Indian film actor and TV presenter best remembered for the reality show Antakshari from 1993 to 2006 and his roles in Mr. India, Vicky Donor and Jolly LLB? Answer: Anu Kapoor. He has received the Filmfare Award and National Film Award for the film Vicky Donor. Question number 6. Which Indian footballer born on this day in 1936 who was the captain of Indian national team from 1965 to 1967 and had competed in the men's tournament in 1960 Summer Olympics? Answer: Jarnali Singh. Question number 7. Who is Prime Minister of United Kingdom declared on this day in 1947 to give independence to India by June 1948 at the latest? Answer: Clement Attlee. Question number 8. Which was the foremost horse racing organization founded on this day in 1847? Answer: Royal Calcutta Turf Club. Question number 9. Which year on this day the British East India Company captured Lahore from Punjab? Answer: 1846. Question number 10. Which year on this day Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh became 23rd and 24th states of Indian Union? Answer: 1987. Question number 11. Which year on this day US decided to observe this day as World Day of Social Justice? Answer: 2009. Question number 12. Who is Danish Norwegian woman explorer became the first woman to reach Antarctica on this day in 1935? Answer: Caroline Mikkelsen. Question number 13. Who became the first astronaut of America on this day in 1962? Who was the third American in space? who served as US State Senator from Ohio from 1974 to 1999? Answer: John H. Glenn. Friends, if you like this video, then comment, share and subscribe.